Why are there not more people talking about panda thumbs? Yep, you heard that right. Believe it or not, pandas have a hidden thumb. But it's not what you think. It's actually an extended wrist bone. Imagine if your wrist suddenly decided to moonlight as a thumb. This clever adaptation helps pandas grasp bamboo while munching away. Picture a panda chilling in the forest using its thumb like a pro. Next time you see a panda chomping down on some bamboo, remember, it's got a nifty trick up its furry sleeve. Nature is wild, isn't it? Don't forget to share this fun fact with your friends and spread the panda love. Catch you later.